How to fix the use button in Lego Fortnite. So as you can see over here, I'm in this world and I actually cannot use this. So when I press on close door, nothing works. Open the chest, my bed. I'm basically spamming G right now, but it doesn't work. And same goes for when I want to pick something up. It just doesn't work. So in order to actually fix that, I don't know what causes the problem, but what you want to do is go to these settings over here. Then to your keybinds, you want to scroll a little bit down until you find the use button. And you simply want to unbind this, apply, and then bind it again with the same button. And once you go back, now I can actually start using everything again and I can collect anything I want. So if I just go back to my cabin real quick, see, now I can close the door and open it up. I can open my chest, I can go in my bed. So that's basically how to fix it. Like I said, I don't know what causes the problem. I don't know if everyone has this problem. I don't know if it's just a bug or if, because this world is actually from a friend of mine, not mine. So I don't know if that happens when I join someone else, but this is basically how to fix it.